Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Hair loss is a common concern that affects millions of people worldwide. Losing hair can significantly impact one's self-esteem and confidence, whether it's due to genetics, stress, hormonal changes, or other factors. But fear not, as groundbreaking discoveries in hair loss reversal have revolutionized how we approach this issue. In this video, we will explore the incredible remedies and solutions to help you regain a full head of hair and boost your confidence like never before. Hair loss is more than just a cosmetic issue. It can also be a sign of underlying health problems or nutritional deficiencies. Addressing hair loss is not just about aesthetics. It's about taking care of your overall well-being. By understanding the root causes of hair loss and implementing practical solutions, you can restore your hair and improve your overall health and quality of life. Imagine waking up every morning to a thick, luscious mane of hair that makes heads turn wherever you go. With the latest advancements in hair loss treatments, achieving such excellent results is now within reach. From innovative hair growth serums to cutting-edge surgical procedures, the options for reversing hair loss are more diverse and influential. In this video, we will delve into the science behind hair loss and balding, exploring the mechanisms that lead to hair thinning and shedding. By understanding how hair grows and the factors that can disrupt this process, you will be better equipped to choose the proper treatment for your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with male pattern baldness, alopecia, or other forms of hair loss, a solution can help you reclaim your crowning glory. Prepare to embark on a journey to rediscover your confidence and embrace a new chapter of hair growth and vitality. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to combating hair loss and achieving the lush locks you've always dreamed of. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The best herb for hair loss. When combating hair loss naturally, one herb is a powerhouse that promotes hair growth and prevents further shedding. Saw palmetto. This small palm tree native to the southeastern United States has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly in treating hair loss and promoting prostate health. Saw palmetto is rich in fatty acids, plant sterols, and antioxidants that work together to inhibit the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT is a hormone that can shrink hair follicles, leading to hair thinning and eventual hair loss. By blocking the production of DHT, saw palmetto helps maintain healthy hair follicles and promotes hair growth. To harness the full benefits of saw palmetto for hair loss, it is recommended to take it in supplement form or use hair care products containing saw palmetto extract. Supplements typically come in the form of capsules or liquid extracts, and the recommended dosage may vary depending on the individual's needs and the concentration of saw palmetto in the product. For optimal results, using saw palmetto consistently over several months is advisable to allow the herb's effects to take full effect. Incorporating saw palmetto into your daily routine as part of a comprehensive hair care regimen can help support healthy hair growth and combat the underlying causes of hair loss. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable results with saw palmetto in their battle against hair loss. From thicker, fuller hair to reduced shedding and improved scalp health, the positive effects of this herb are evident in the success stories and testimonials shared by satisfied users. By incorporating saw palmetto into your hair care routine, you, too, can unlock the potential for healthier, more vibrant hair and say goodbye to the woes of hair loss. Herbal hair tea treatment. Are you tired of dealing with hair loss and balding, longing for a natural remedy that can deliver insane results in a week? Look no further than this herbal hair tea treatment, a potent blend of ingredients that can revitalize your hair and stimulate new growth like never before. Say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to a lush, full mane with this simple yet powerful hair care solution. To prepare the herbal hair tea, you will need a combination of herbs known for their hair strengthening and growth-promoting properties. Here's a detailed recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary, 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaf, 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail, 1 tablespoon of dried lavender, and 4 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan. 2. Add the dried herbs to the boiling water and reduce heat to a simmer. 3. Let the herbs steep in the water for 20-30 minutes. 4. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the herbal tea to cool. 5. Strain the tea to remove the herbs and transfer the liquid to a spray bottle or container for easy application. The ingredients in this herbal hair tea are packed with nutrients that nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote healthy hair growth. Rosemary is known for its ability to improve circulation to the scalp, while nettle leaf is rich in vitamins and minerals that support hair health. Horsetail contains silica, a mineral that strengthens hair strands, and lavender has soothing properties that can help reduce scalp inflammation and promote relaxation. Scientific evidence and studies have supported the effectiveness of rosemary water in promoting hair growth and improving hair health. Research has shown that rosemary extract can enhance hair growth by stimulating blood circulation to the scalp and increasing the proliferation of hair follicle cells. With its proven benefits and centuries-old reputation as a hair growth remedy, rosemary water is a must-have addition to your hair care arsenal for achieving massive hair growth and revitalizing your locks. 10 powerful foods for hair growth. The key lies in external treatments and nourishing your body from within when it comes to achieving luscious locks and promoting hair growth. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet can make a significant difference in the health and vitality of your hair. Here are 10 powerful foods that are known for their ability to boost hair growth and overall hair health. 1. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps nourish the scalp and support hair follicles for more robust, healthier hair growth. 2. Eggs. Packed with protein, biotin, and essential nutrients, eggs promote hair growth and repair damaged hair strands. 3. Spinach. Loaded with iron, vitamins A and C, and folate, spinach helps improve scalp health and stimulate hair growth. 4. Avocado. A source of healthy fats and vitamin E, avocado nourishes the hair from within, promoting shine and strength. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene and support the production of sebum, a natural conditioner for the scalp. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids that promote hair growth. 7. Greek yogurt. A good source of protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt helps strengthen hair follicles and improve hair texture. 8. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage. 9. Lentils. High in protein, iron, and zinc, lentils support healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. 10. Oysters. A rich source of zinc, oysters help maintain a healthy scalp and promote hair growth. To incorporate these hair-healthy foods into your diet. 1. Consider adding them to your meals and snacks throughout the day. 2. Start your morning with a spinach and egg omelet, enjoy a salmon salad for lunch, snack on mixed nuts and berries, and include lentils in your dinner recipes. 3. Experiment with avocado toast, yogurt parfaits, and sweet potato fries to add variety and flavor to your meals while nourishing your hair from the inside out. Making these foods a regular part of your diet supports optimal hair growth and achieves the healthy, vibrant hair you've always desired. We've explored a wealth of incredible discoveries and remedies for combating hair loss and promoting hair growth. The options for restoring and maintaining healthy hair are vast and promising, from powerful herbs like saw palmetto and rosemary water to nutrient-rich foods and herbal treatments. It's always possible to take action and reclaim your confidence by addressing hair loss head-on. Addressing hair loss goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's about prioritizing your overall well-being and self-care. By understanding the underlying causes of hair loss and implementing practical solutions, you can improve your hair's health and boost your self-esteem and quality of life. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair, balding, or scalp issues, remedies and treatments are available to help you achieve the hair of your dreams. We encourage you to take the next step in your hair care journey by incorporating some of the tips and remedies discussed in this video into your daily routine. Whether you try out an herbal hair tea treatment, add hair-healthy foods to your diet, or explore natural hair care products, there are plenty of options to support your hair growth and maintenance goals. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips, product recommendations, and expert advice on maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. By liking and sharing this video with your friends and family, you can help spread the word about the incredible remedies and discoveries for hair loss and balding. Together, we can empower each other to take control of our hair health and confidently embrace our natural beauty. Thank you for watching. Remember, your hair deserves the best care, so why wait? Start your journey to healthier, Happier hair today.